Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this Peppermint Overload Cake. Chocolate cake with a minty twist. Start by blending up 250 grams of butter. Next, add in 400 grams of icing sugar. We're adding half at a time. You can use an electric whisk for ease. Now separate your buttercream into 2 bowls. Add mint extract to one, and to the other, red food colour and cocoa powder. Pop those 2 buttercreams into piping bags. Now get a chocolate cake and pipe on the red buttercream in a spiral pattern. We're leaving a gap in between for the mint buttercream. Now place the second layer of cake on top and cover in red buttercream. Use a turntable for ease and then smooth it out. Time to get some candy canes. Snap off the ends and stick the straight bits all around the sides of the cake. Next, pipe alternating buttercreams onto some cling wrap to create a pinstripe pattern. Then carefully roll it up. Pop that into a piping bag so we can pipe on a pattern which matches the candy canes. Lovely. Let's decorate the top of the cake. And not to forget the pieces you broke off the candy canes earlier. Break them up even smaller and pop them in the middle. And there you have it, Peppermint Overload Cake. Simply slice and enjoy. Let's make this gelatin cake. Very colourful and very easy. Start by syringing different coloured gelatin into a silicone ice cube mould. We're doing the colours of the rainbow. A few of each. Close that up and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, get a donut-shaped cake mould and pour in some clear gelatin, just to cover the bottom. Then get your set gelatin colourful balls and place them on top. You can pile them up like so, and pour over more clear gelatin. Refrigerate that for 2 hours, turn it upside down on a plate, pour white chocolate ganache in the middle, and you're ready to roll. It's really that easy. Now just slice, let the white chocolate ganache ooze out, and enjoy your gelatin cake. Why not add a dash of colour to your day? Give it a go. Let's make Jelly Bean Cupcake. This is a giant cupcake and it looks amazing. I bet it tastes awesome too. So, let's start. First of all, you need your giant cupcake. Starting with just the bottom half of it, we're going to coat it in chocolate ganache. We've sliced off the top dome part and just popped that aside for a few minutes. Make sure to do this over a drip tray because it's definitely going to be a bit messy. Excellent. Now get your display tray, stick the cake onto it, and flip it upside down. There you go, ready to decorate with jelly beans. So the chocolate ganache acts as a sort of glue to just stick the beans on. You can use any colour, flavour that you like. We're starting with white and brown jelly beans, and we're going to alternate them around the sides of the cake. Yum, I wonder which flavours these are. Look at that, doesn't that look amazing? Right, time for the top part of the cake. We are, yep, you guessed it, covering it in chocolate ganache. Do one side, then flip it upside down, and cover the other side too. Lashings and lashings of gooey chocolate ganache. Amazing. Once that's completely covered, we're going to just stick it on to the rest of the cake. Now we can decorate the top. We're starting with some red jelly beans, making a spiral pattern. Let's do a light pink in between. It does take some time, but it's definitely worth the wait. And let's not stop there, let's cover the tray in chocolate ganache too. We're going to go absolutely colourful and jelly bean-tastic with this design. Jelly beans all around, starting with red, then orange. We'll do a couple of rows of each colour. Which colour next? Yellow! Excellent idea! Red, orange, yellow, fading out the colours. Let's go green now! Beautiful collage of colours. And finally, let's do some blue for the outside edge. Doesn't that look pretty? Wow, amazing! Look at that jelly bean cupcake. We've done a giant one, but you can always do smaller ones if you want. Definitely get the kids involved because they are going to love doing this. It looks amazing and it's fun to decorate. You can also experiment with different candies or even chocolates. So, get creative. Enjoy your jelly bean cupcake.